The auto transmission machine from EDT Automotive removes accumulated contaminants that build up over time. Graham Lang of Horton Cars in Buckinghamshire, an independent Volvo specialist, has been putting the machine through its paces in his workshop.
The obvious issue with automatic gearboxes is that it's very difficult to get all the fluid out of the gearbox when you do an oil change. Using the EDT machine, you can remove all of the oil from the gearbox, clean out every last little bit in there. I think the figure is something like 97% of the oil is changed, and that's not possible with simply draining the oil and replacing it. Even if you flush it 2 or 3 times, you will not get the same result as you do with the EDT machine.
The machine undertakes automatic transmission fluid exchanges, removing old fluid and flushing the transmission through with a bespoke cleaner before replenishing it with new fluid and conditioner. EDT Automotive say it results in smoother gear changes, improved power delivery and fuel economy. For more information about EDT Automotive or to arrange a demonstration in your workshop, call 01233 712 341 or go to edtautomotive.com.